Welcome, my name is Udo. I'm an artist and teacher trained in London and Bonn. I've been working as an art teacher for many years in schools and universities. Over the last years I have developed a drawing course which will help you to master figure drawing by using a simple and easy to follow step-by-step approach. You will get to know the basics of light and shadow in easy and simple to follow steps. You will also learn about the various shadow types and how to use them in your drawings. We will be able to draw simple forms and then place them in dynamic angles. These simple geometric shapes are the basic elements we construct our figures with. My figure drawing course uses an easy to follow step-by-step approach which equips you with all you need to master various kinds of figure drawing challenges. The human body will be broken down to its major masses: head, rib cage, hip, pelvis, arms and legs. We will start using elementary yet characteristic forms, for example like the egg shape, on which we will add more and more details. Once we get the more simple poses right, we move on to more dynamic or expressive poses. In this way, we build up our drawing vocabulary in secure and comprehensible steps. And I'm using also this kind of ovoid shape that her right hand leg is a little more in front. So I'm extending this line here and bring it here and this one. The gesture forms the overall basis for your drawing. Using the lima bean, one leg is swinging this way. Okay. The ear is low. Okay, so now you could see what you can do with the watercolor pen and the water brush. You don't necessarily need to buy a water brush. You can use any brush and just dip it into water. This is comes in handy because it got this tank, this water tank here. You press it a little and the water gets conducted to the point, and then you can draw without dipping into water. But the other one, a normal brush is as good. Last but not least, you learn the necessary basics of applied anatomy for artists and the simple proportion system. One of my prime concerns in this figure drawing course is to select and break down the mass of information to comprehensible elements. This also applies to the anatomy module. As an artist, my focal point lies on artistically appealing results. Therefore, I have put particular attention to applicable anatomical details. In simple words, anatomy that works for drawing. Center line is doing something like this. Now we have the sternum coming this way, ribcage here, and again we have. So let's start our journey into the beautiful and exciting world of figure drawing. I see you in a bit.